Hey, what's up?
What's up, guys? This is my dad's first video. We're doing this on his birthday, so happy birthday to you, Dad.
Thank you.
And by the way, all of my friends have been saying happy birthday to you as well.
Thank
They
you.
told me to tell you happy birthday.
I appreciate that.
We're gonna be playing, so I'ma go first. Oof. Hope that was easy. So yeah, we just finished that. That was nice, isn't it? Let's see who's better, you or me. I'm better. Here. It's your turn, boy.
That's obvious. That's me.
No, it's me.
Yeah,
No, it's me. It's
it's me.
It's me. Yeah, who's better, guys? Me or my dad?
Better. I'm better. There you go. What happened? Don't touch.
You touch it. Look, touch. If you touch three of them come
Oh
out.
my
That's why I'm touching it for you. Look,
God.
see, 3 come out if you touch. Look, I think. Oh, you won. I think maybe no.
Oh my.
You won. 1 star.
What?
1 star, me. Okay, let's go. My turn, boy. Oof. Oh, that almost did nothing. Remember we played the gun game? Remember?
The crazy one?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
We need to play that
Yeah, next time.
later. What?
What?
My
Why
Angry
you
Bird went
going?
flying. Oof. Nope. Rest in pepperonis. Wait, what is this? What is this? What? What the heck was that? Oh, all I know is that I won.
Oh.
69%.
69%.
69.
Let me see.
Okay, your turn. Remember to touch because that one comes out 3. The blue one. If you touch it, 3 of them come out.
If you touch a what?
If you touch the screen, when you throw it, touch the screen and then 3 of them will come out.
Oh.
Look. That's 1 of them. Let me touch the screen for you. You touch it and boom, 3 of them came out. See?
Oh, I see.
I'll touch it for you every time you throw it. There.
There you go.
There. So
That's why.
you need 2 more. 1 and 2. Perfect. You did nothing. Never mind. You killed 1, 2.
on.
Never mind.
Then
Yeah.
everybody's going.
Okay. Me turn.
Best in the world. CM Punk.
CM Punk reference. If you guys are a WWE fan, you will know who CM Punk is. Has CM Punk made a movie?
Maybe.
Probably. I mean, what else is he gonna do for money?
He's good for wrestling, but he don't look that good to do movies. Funny movie?
The best in the world movie. The
Comic movie?
comic movie? That did nothing. That. Oof. Dead. What? I accidentally threw it. Nothing happened. That's nice. Well, I'm the first guy that lost out of both of us. You're the new champion.
Thank you.
Yay.
Now the one.
And it's Independence Day.
No,
Independence Day. So yeah. Happy Independence Day, guys. And happy birthday to Daddy.
Thank you.
Come on. I'll touch it for you, the screen for you. So
Here we go.
boom. Yeah, I'm technically helping you. I believe I could fly. For that one, for the yellow one, if you touch it, he goes like faster. And there's more like force.
There you go.
Nothing. You have two. You have two birds left.
I hit it twice, and I. Oh.
Look at that one.
Okay.
It like flew or something. You have only one.
One. And just
There's two of them left.
myself.
No, two of them are left. Look at the monkey. He looks like you.
Yeah.
He looks like you.
Yeah. He looks like me.
Yay. So, oof. This is his first video. It's going great. My dad is just doing weird faces. Nice. That's great.
Yeah.
That's good to do.
Yeah.
Hey, English. I don't pick it, Pani.
No.
We are back, guys. Okay, guys, we are back. Sorry for that. Wait, was it my turn or your turn? Who was going?
You.
Oh, yeah, me? Okay. Yeah, I lost for sure. So I have 2 losses. Whoever loses the most will lose. Whoever loses loses the most will.
Yeah.
If you lose less than me, you'll be the new champion.
Yeah.
Your turn.
When your pictures come out, it's because you lost at the monkey.
What is that outside?
Oh my God.
There's some background noise.
You have nothing to do.
He has nothing to do. But that was actually dancing.
What happened?
I don't know if you guys hear it though. It's not that
It looks
loud.
like a concrete.
What? Yeah, that is concrete. It's it's stone, not concrete. But that's okay. Stop dancing and actually just do the level. You lost twice and I lost twice.
Oh my God.
Why can't we do this when we suck?
Looks my pictures.
Do you guys hear it? The thingy? Oh god, that's actually pretty loud. Sorry guys, if you guys hear the thing, we can't stop it. We can't just go out and be like, hey!
No,
Shut up!
No, that's like the music behind, you know.
But it's not copyrighted, so you won't get copyrighted.
No.
Because it's just a drum. Hey, talk English.
Got nothing to do. Nothing to do.
Okay, stop.
Nothing to do.
I passed the level.
Nothing to do.
Wait, what is this? Did we even do this one? No, we never did this one.
No.
Yeah, it's your turn, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't. Yeah. Jesus Christ, that's actually really loud.
I wish I could have some eggs.
Some what?
Some eggs.
What's egg? Egg?
Well,
No! Wait, egg? Eggs! You mean eggs! You said egg.
ellos tiraron una caja. What happened?
Okay, you need those 2 on the top.
Where are you going? Oh my God. Neo.
Hey. Oof.
What?
Perfecto. You've lost 3 times and I lost 2. Let's see. Will I retain my championship? I don't know why I can't. Wait, I think I could do it. Oof. Okay, got one of them. Got 2 of them. Nope. Threw it over. What the heck? That was crap. Hey, okay, we killed that one of the. Oh, now I just need those 2 on the. Hey! Hey! Let's go. Oof. We won. I mean, I won. You lost 3 times, I lost 2. Okay, wait. No, what? No. See where you're shooting. Sorry, guys. I had to pause it because that would have given me copyright. Or him copyright, not me. So, is it your turn or mine?
You.
Oh, okay. Look, it shows me where I'm shooting. Yay. Nice. I'm gonna have to actually censor some of the... Oof! I did it with 1 bird.
Oh, okay.
Hey, don't look at your phone. Look at my phone. I got 3 stars. Are you proud of me? No? Okay. I'm gonna go again, guys. I'm not going again at all. This is my first time going. Hello?
No. You cheating?
I'm not cheating.
It's my turn. Do you know that?
No, it's
Yeah,
what are you talking about? This is my first try.
You know that.
No?
Yeah.
Stop lying.
But don't worry, you're gonna lose.
No, I did it with 1 bird. And you're like, oh, you're gonna lose. I just did it with 1 bird. I think it was 1 or was it 2? I think it was, yeah, it was 1.
What?
Yeah. And I got 3 stars. I got 3 stars in the first one and now in the second one. Let's go, boy. The heck did you just do?
What is this? Can you tell me?
What is this?
What happened?
I don't know what you're doing.
¿Hay arriba también?
No, yeah, it's right here. Sorry, talks a little bit Spanish, man.
What?
That was your last one. So yeah, guys, all of the ads that come up, because sometimes they do, I'm gonna just censor them so my dad doesn't get copyrighted. I don't want him to get copyrighted in his first video, so yeah. Whee! Woo! I just got 3. I got 2, I think, or 3, I don't know. Okay, now I got 1. This is how a good player plays. Okay, look, pay attention. Wait, no, this is my last one. I might actually lose. Never mind. Yeah, no, this is how a bad player plays. Oof, nice. No. I didn't do it either. How many times did you lose? I lost like 3, and you lost 4.
No, not even 1.
No, you had 4. I remember. You had 4, and I had 3.
Oh, are you lose your mind?
Are you lol your mind?
You lost.
Oh, no, that's not good
No.
English. It's did you lose your mind? Did I lose?
Either way, do you understand what I say?
Mm-hmm. But I want them to understand.
I'm not losing not even 1.
Oh, no?
Oh, no.
What are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Why are you shooting the the wall?
You know, I don't know.
You don't know? Nice. Never failed. So you've lost 5 out of 3. I think I'm gonna keep being the champion. I'm gonna retain my championship. 2 of them died. How do I do this with 3? I only have 2 more. Jesus. Jesus, me. You need Jesus. I think I did it. I did it. Let's go. I have 3 losses and you have 5. I have 3, you have 5. Oh God. We have to censor that so you don't get copyright. Don't worry, you won't get copyright. There. Oof. Stop hitting the bed. Oof.
Now what? Here?
Yeah. There's
Here too?
Yeah, there's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 8. Look, that one does like bubbles thingies. I don't freaking know what it does. You just killed almost like you killed like half of them. Yeah, you killed half of them. There was 8 and you killed 4.
Here too?
Yeah, and here as well. What the?
What are you doing?
You
Where
tap
you
it when she hits here is when you need to tap it. Look. I'll do it for you. Oh.
What happened?
You did it. Oh, never mind. You needed 1 more. You did all of them. You need 1. Look, he looks like you. See, like that. See?
Yeah.
This is how a real guy plays it. See? You have 6 losses and I have 3. Damn, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Damn. I already passed it with 2. 2. I might put captions of what that means. When like every time you talk Spanish, I should put like text or not. Okay, it's your turn. I almost won again on accident.
Now what?
All of those. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So where are you gonna hit if you got this?
Under here. Look, see? What are you doing? Do you even know what you're doing? You got 1 of them. You got 2. You got like, I don't know how many. 0. You have 0 left. Let's see. The video's been 18 minutes. This is gonna be whoever completes this level for even if I lose if I lose this level or not. You have Saul lost 7 times. I have lost 3. Bro. What the heck?
You got the wrong guy. It wasn't me.
Oh, then who was it? The tree? It was the tree, right? And it was the tree? Hey, don't hit me. Well, he didn't hit me. He headbutted me. Oh, come on! I've lost 4 and you lost 7. Uf.
Déjame ver esto, ¿por dónde entra? Porque esto ya me tiene a mí ya. Coin.
English, please.
Why you do that, bro? Oh my God.
Look!
Oh, the best in the world.
You're not CM Punk.
No, I'm better than him.
You need those too. What are you doing?
I don't know. Nothing.
You lost. Whoever
There
comes.
you go, you put this again.
No, I've lost 4. You lost 8 times. 8 or 9?
No, 20.
20. So you lost 20 times?
Funny,
No, for real. How much have you lost?
like 2?
Add the 0, 20. How do you do this part? I have 5 now. I have 8. How do you do that?
I don't know.
Oh, I think I know how. I know how to do it. I know how to do it, I think. You do it first. You did nothing.
So...
Time to play the game.
But what happened? She don't do nothing. Oh my God.
You got 0. Wait. Yes! Okay, I know. Stop laughing.
That one too?
What the heck is this? Come on. Oh, I need that one only. Oh my. What the heck? I can't do it. No. Please.
This
No.
one.
No. Yeah. Maybe?
That's what I say. Don't come on.
No.
I'm coming down.
I lost 6 and you have 9. 6, 9. Booyaka, booyaka. 619.
What happened?
Hey, what happened? You're not even doing crap.
But why? What you can do?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Try to break it down. What are you thinking?
You're not even trying.
No. So what I'm doing?
Nothing.
Oh my God.
You have 0 more. Perfect. I think I know how to do it. It's been 23 minutes almost. Nice. Come on. Okay, I got those. No! Do 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 do. Wait, I think I might have gotten all of them. Like almost all of them. No! No! Who's gonna do this?
Wait.
Let's see. You go one more time, then I go, and then we'll end the video, okay?
Okay.
Because I can't even do this.
Okay. Finally, I got something.
Okay, I'll tap it for you. Just throw it. Oh crap!
Come on, man. You see? That's what I say. There's nothing that you can do. At least I got this.
Okay, I'm gonna go one more time. Right, guys. Oof. Oof. No. No. I'm gonna restart. Oof, 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 oof. What? Wait, let me restart again. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, 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 oof. Okay. Time to play the game. I don't know what I'm saying. Do. Yes! Okay, I think. Oh, how do I live? No! Wait, I'm gonna try to go again. Wait, I'm trying to do it. Okay. Okay, I do this. Okay. That I know how to do. Okay, I know how to do that. Then I need to do this. That's not what I need to do.
There you say, there you are.
I'm trying. I know what to do.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Wait. Oof. Nope. Okay. Wait, no. I'm trying to do this. No. I can't do it. Yes, okay. That's what I was trying to do the whole time. Perfect. I think I know how to do this. I go up. Come on, I have 3 more. No! Oh my god. I have 2 more. I only have 2. I don't know what to do now. At this part, I only have 1 left and I just can't. What the heck? Oh my. Wait, look. Look. I'm getting some help. I did something. Now I have help. Boom. I don't know what I did. Boom! Okay, I got a lot of them actually. Okay. Yes! No! Why not that one? Oh, I need... Wait. No.
You see?
Come on. This is... No! No! That was the last one. It was only 1 more. This is my last try. No, wait. Nope. I keep messing up that part. Okay, no. Let me do this. Nope. Messed up again. No. That's not what I'm trying to do. Oh my god, bruh. Okay. Let me do this. Okay. I'm trying to do something. That's not what I'm trying to do. No! Jesus Christ, how do I do this? That's not how I do it. That's not how you do it. What? No, okay. Oh my god. Jesus. I did it earlier, but I just can't do it anymore. I just can't do what I'm trying to do anymore. Wait, what is this? Yes. I did it!
Hey,
Finally!
finally!
Wait, how many times did I lose?
I don't know.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
We're both the champion.
Yeah. You're the champion.
Okay, yay. Okay, guys, let's end the video. Okay. What's good? What's your outro?
Thank you.
And?
And
Anyways?
anyway, guys, Peace.